hello. Sorry, I'm been starving. This weekend is going to be a little bit different. It's 3 weeks post-op for David. So he is mobile, he is getting around a bit. But we thought we'd do a tester on the field. And we've got some friends coming around. Well, they're not friends, they're acquaintances. Well, we haven't actually met. But I came across their videos a few months ago when Harry and Lauren were down. They've met them. They were at a festival together recently. And they're having a meet in Coco's Camping up in Powys. About the 15th, 16th of August. And I thought it would be a really good idea if we met them beforehand. And because we haven't been away, the weather's glorious, they're coming down for the night. And Baza! So I'll see you in a bit when they turn up, because I'm gonna stuff my face with cockles and bread and butter.
Oh, what's occurring?
Just spoke to them now, they're 13 minutes away. Traffic is absolutely crap, which I'm not surprised at all. Look at Hopalong. You've managed a can though.
First beer for a month.
Lovely, is this? How are you?
Yeah?
I'm alright.
Good.
Did you call in reception in a way? Did you call in reception, booked in?
Yeah. Check out at 9 AM. This is lovely here.
Here he is. Didn't really want to meet James and Chantal, it was Baza really. And Baza's turned up and the first thing that he said he wanted was a can. Don't care about parking. He's parked where he is and that's where he's staying tonight. They're all enjoying it at the moment outside. So we're going for a walk up the Chippy now because they're not doing delivery. And we've left Baza and David in charge of the girls. So we better be quick. But we do have to pass the pub on the way. Well, that's a turn up for the Bucks. Just went then, they're closing up, and the young lad there has given us all these chips and rissoles and everything for nothing. Oh, fabulous. See? Typical Welsh, you know, isn't it nice? Look at all that. It's a weight. All for nothing from the Chippy because they were closing up. How nice is that? Well, that was weird. We were just sitting over there now, eating the chips, and I heard, die! Around the corner, there was a woman called Andrea, who was in school with David. It turns out her husband was watching What's Occurring for ages, and then she started watching. She said, I know that fella. So when they came here, their son has bought a house across the road, and they're doing the work up on it, and Mike, her husband, now husband, was helping out and doing a TV implant or something. Anyway, I came there and she said, I'm going to go and see them, is what's occurring over there. Mike was dying of embarrassment, but yeah, how lovely is that, isn't it? And a small world. So thanks for coming to see us, Andrea, and you've got a motorhome as well. Whenever you're out and about, you've got my number now, you'll have to give me a ring. Time is clocking on and I don't think we're going to go over the workies. We're having a lovely time outside. A few of them have had the shots and Chantal has found a gin liqueur that we found in our cupboard, so I think our drinking cabinet. So somebody must have given it to us at some point because I can't remember buying it. And I don't like lavender either. So yeah, Sheila really likes that. The girls are outside. Baza poured a drink over one of the girls. Did give them water beforehand. And then one of the girls went into the van and poured a glass of water over him. I missed it now, but he fell on the floor then.
Didn't fall on the floor, love. It was posh.
These people do anything for content, I tell you. It's nearly 12 now, so I think it's time to go to bed. Well, good morning to you. And David is still in bed. It's 9:30, 10:15, something like that. And yeah, Bonzo and I have been up for a while, haven't we? And the others are up. James is making a bacon egg sandwich at the moment. And we're just chilling a bit. I've had a little bit of a tidy up, but David is still in bed, snoring. And let's see if Chantal is up, shall we? Good morning. Got you on camera first thing in the morning.
Yeah, I just think that's so good. This tastes really good though.
Do you what he just said then?
No.
Give it 10 minutes. Put her makeup on first.
What do you call my
Cheeky
wall
toad.
face? It's lovely.
It started to rain, so we put the awning out, the canopy, and typical, isn't it? Now what happens? The sun comes out. We bought a little awning on eBay. So today we're going to have an attempt to put it up, see what it looks like. So we've had breakfast. We're just chilling at the moment, but that's all going to change when we put this awning up. It started. We have got no instructions at all, so I wonder how long this is going to take to build.
I got the yellow, mate. What have we got?
That's right.
Bloody typical. The blind leading the blind. And it started to pee down.
Oh, here we go. I'd help out, but my hip, you know what I mean? I only got to have someone in charge.
All the ties are inside, is that right? We put that like that. Look, we've always had this problem.
to you,
When you
to
get
me.
the chance, which hole do you put it in? Right.
We're now 51 minutes in. And James is still at it. David feels a bit helpless at the moment. Fair play, giving it a good go. So well done, James. Barry, how long did it take us?
Hour and a half.
Oh, us, you. Hour and a half.
Hour and 35 minutes. I'd have done it in 20 minutes.
No, good job, innit?
Absolute bargain.
200 quid. We've actually got curtains for it as well. Tidy, I don't think the curtains have ever been put up.
No.
1.60 metre short, because our awning is 6 metres. Well happy with that. We'd only use it if we were going away for 4 or 5 days in one place. Otherwise, I don't think we'd get it out. Big thank you to Barry and James. A great effort, and David is useless at the moment. But yeah, we know to do it now, so for next time, I'm going to go underneath the shelter because it's raining.
If you want it,
So Barry's feeling a little bit left out now, so he's got a new windbreaker.
Yeah.
And he wants to see how this goes. Off, Bonds, come on.
No, this is the wind.
And they're off. Well, a good weekend. Well, not a weekend, one nighter. First time for you. You've had the paracetamol. Not been able to do much, but had the pleasure of watching them
Yes, in charge.
building the awning.
In our privacy room.
Yeah, tidy job. See you. Bye.
Until next time.
See ya. Bushcraft Barry. All done and gone.
Nice
Another
to meet them
weekend.
both.
Yes.
And the kids. And Baza.
And Baza.
Yeah.
I don't tell them, but I wanted to meet Baza more than I wanted to meet anybody else.
Including me.
So until next time, we'll see you on the next video. Bye.
Wow! What's occurring?